How to fix CapCut issues like no internet connection, templates not showing, filters, effects, stickers like that. And if CapCut not available in your country, please try to install VPN from Play Store. I suggest you to install VPN apps like 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗆 or VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. These are good with speeds. Choose the servers like United States, UK, Netherlands, etc. where CapCut is available and those servers are nearby to your region so that you can get good speeds. Please watch carefully. If you encounter any issues like no internet connection while you are editing, please try to export the entire project with an option export draft. It takes a couple of minutes to export the entire project as a zip folder or zip file. You can navigate that in your file manager. I suggest you to use MT or NP manager for quick navigation and move options. Please create a new folder or choose any folder which you can remember. Now try to open Android folder. Select data. Scroll down and search for CapCut data files. Yeah, here it is. Now select files. Now select export folder. So this zip file is what we extracted previously, the uncompleted project. We can see cover photo, materials like audios, videos and a script like which has filters, stickers, etc. Now carefully move the zip file to a folder which the path will be easy to remember or accessible. Now try to clear CapCut data. So it is a undo process. It can delete entire CapCut files including projects. So make sure you export as export draft. Now try to open CapCut. Please make sure to use VPN if CapCut is not available in your country. Select edit option. You can see no projects currently we have and there is an option called import. Click on it. Now allow permissions. It redirects to file manager and select the zip file where we previously saved. Now click editing draft. Please do not touch anything while this process is going on. After project exported to draft, please open. So finally we can peacefully edit our project without any restrictions like no internet connection or effects not showing like that. Please make sure if it happens again later like a one day or few couple of hours, try this again. Please follow this method. 1. Do not disconnect VPN or internet while editing any project. So it can trigger CapCut to activate or recheck the signature to its server. So it may lead to stop filters or some server stuff. Number 2, if that happens, please make sure to export the current files and make sure you have to clear CapCut data and you have to do again. And I am sure 98% features works by this way till it triggers signature verification. Please make sure if it requires any login credentials while using AI features, please log in with third-party emails or create a one for you. So if you are using any CapCut third-party versions out there, the only way to fix is clearing CapCut data so that we can clear or reset device ID verification to its server. Make sure to save your projects or export them before doing this and use VPN if CapCut unavailable in your country to run it.